looking at
The partners and welcome to 523 and 2 days for annual party.
Let's go. Come on, guys. Outfit check. Ash, let's go. Parang nagtitignan kasi siya. Nasaan na siya? Nasaan si Chen? Pwede ko kapit siya.
Diyan, ito ka mo ilmugay yun ng color
Pero
ninyo.
kami ano to, abay.
Baby girl si Auntie Jess. So,
Siyempre, dapat soft lang tayo ngayon kasi.
feel niya kayo sa magsulat picture.
Dapat yung sis. Diba? Soft lang ata eh. True. Hello. Gaganda naman.
Pero siya maganda dito. Nakaka-fresh. True. Or yung light need.
Beautiful design made by JML Design and Events. Thank you. Hello.
Jack ang ewan. Mas may regatas.
Yan. Hi. Cute. Hello po. Hi, ang gaganda. Hello po. Hi.
Perfect. Guys, smile.
1, 2. 1, 2. DC. Hello.
The energy. Gusto ko magpapalakasan ng palakpakan. Magpapalakasan ng hiyawan. Ang team 523 and team 1.
Kaya! Woo!
Ayan. Kaya. Diba? The partners and welcome to 523 and 2 days for annual party. Formally start our program, requesting everyone to please rise for our opening prayer to be led to us by Mr. Kenneth Isler Profeta. So, gagayahin nyo lang ako. Gagawin natin yun 16 counts. Alright, partners? Ayan, kusot, sabay-sabay in 3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 8, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. After magkusot, Miss Imes, anong gagawin?
Bandaw.
Wow! Perfect! Diba kahit naka-automatic na si Miss Imes, alam niya pa rin. Our step for Banlaw, 16 counts. Parang babalawan lang natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 16 counts din po iyon. Okay? Gagalingan niyo ha? Next, after Banlaw. Oh my God, ano gagawin natin? Ito na yung tamang sagot. After Banlaw.
Sampay. Our step for Sampay.
16 counts din po. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 16 counts po yan. And syempre, after after natin maglaba, anong mararamdaman natin?
Pwede magpinsan na.
Wala, malinis na po eh.
Ayan!
Wala na siyang naramdaman kasi anong nararamdaman natin after maglaba? Happy. How about you?
Pagsisisi.
Pagsisisi, how about you?
Pagod.
Pagod! That is correct. Yan yung hinahanap ko, mapapagod tayo. And syempre, pag napagod, pagpapawisan, right? So our step for pagod, sabay-sabay. 1, 2, punas pawis. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Ayan, the lower the better. So yan ang yung gagawin natin. Sige, sabay-sabay, pagsamahin natin ang mga steps. 16 counts. Una, kusot.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
8, 60. Pagod! And yes, ngayon na kompleto na natin ang ating steps. So, 4 figures. Get it? Hit it! 4. And hands in the air. Yes, and there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Sabay-sabay, sige. Happy Honor Silence. Sige, eto na. Ayan, para same humor tong dalawa. Dahil same humor kayo, ang aking katanungan ay, or magbigay.
Ang tahimik.
Parte ng katawan nagsisimula sa letra T!
Wala pa!
O, sagot, please!
Tulak.
Ayan. Wala parang... Ito. Magbigay.
Sige na, talaka-score na.
Magbigay ng pagkain na ninunguya pero di nilulunok.
Ano ba?
Re. Ano?
Babalikan.
Bubble gum is correct ka, John.
Ah, tama. Eh.
Next year. Pangalawa mo na ba? Hindi pa nangalan.
Go!
Lanin.
Yeah.
JR. Ayan.
Ang pogi!
Ano sabi mo? Biti ko yan. Hindi, may sinabi ka kanina marinig ko. Parang yari. Guys, may nagre-reset. Ayan, sige, para sa inyong dalawa. Magbigay. Or anong puno ang di pwedeng akyatin?
Bambo.
Ano? magbigay ng puno na hindi pwedeng akyatin? Okay, wala nakasagot? So sabi dito sa question, ang sagot niya po ay nakatumba. Hindi galing sa akin yan. Next. Competent District Manager Miss Joy Cesar. Basta Bombo, Radyo.
Thank you, Claire. Alright. Well, you all look gorgeous. Iba para akong nasa Boracay. No? So I'm very happy to be here. It is my first time attending provincial annual party. So, but my third last leg for this trip, no? So we're done with Sorsogon and then Legazpi and then this one. So each of the parties actually offered very different theme and experience. So of course, I'm truly happy that almost everyone is actually here and participated. I just wanted everyone to just enjoy and relax. Aprons are off, diba? So now it's really time for us to just to celebrate what we have accomplished for the last fiscal year and to really just move forward and celebrate the great things that are actually bound to happen in this current fiscal year 2026. So thank you so much and just enjoy the night and let's have party.
Yeah, thank you po. Yan.
Like somebody down, I gon' get bone. Give it up, give it up, give it, give it, give it up, give it up, give it up, give it, give it, give it up, give it up, give it up, give it, give it, give it up, give it up, give it up.
Palakpakan naman natin.
Timex yan.
Next na, next! Next! Yan! Congrats!
You are there. You are acknowledging our
Nandun ba sa vlog ano?